Hello there, plant lovers! Welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, welcome, and I hope you will consider to hit the subscribe button below, hit the all bell, and so you will be notified for my next video. Thank you so much. Today, I will share with you how I water my houseplants. I hope you will stay for the rest of this video. To ensure that your plants thrive in your home, you should know when and how to water your potted plants. The common mistakes made by many plant owners is overwatering their plants. Yes, too much watering can be one of the factors why your plants died. As the saying goes, too much can kill you. And I think this saying is also applies to all living things. Like humans, when you water your plants with too much water, it will definitely prevent the plants from being able to breathe and eventually suffocates your plant. Likewise, your plant is susceptible or prone to diseases like root rot, which can lead to dying of your plants. Plants have different water needs. You should learn the language of your plant and be observant of their needs. The leaves of your plants speak to you. When you notice that your plant leaves start to droop, it is sending you a message that they are actually thirsty. In watering your indoor plants, make sure that you water the soil and not the leaves. Aim only at the soil. Why? Because this can prevent bacterial and fungal infections, and of course, other plant health issues. It is important to note to water your plants thoroughly and evenly until water flows out the bottom of the pot. Removing dried and yellow leaves is also essential to allow more growth. Always remember, if 2 to 3 inches of soil is still wet, do not water your plants. If you are using saucers or decorative pots, make sure that you dumped any excess water, or at least after watering your plant, let it drain for a minute or two. Like humans, we do not want to wear wet socks. Plants do the same. They don't like their roots to be kept in overly wet soil. Also, consider the seasons. Most plants will go dormant during winter and become water needy during summer. Like you, I am also guilty with overwatering or underwatering my plants. But don't worry, this is how you learn your plant's language. Also, most plants are resilient and easy to grow if you get a hand of it. Nonetheless, keep understanding their needs. The trick really is just getting to know your plant. And if you really love planting, remember that there are a lot of sources out there and it's just a click away. And last and foremost, make your plant soak with the rainy water. They surely love it. So there you have it, plant lovers. I hope you learned something from today's video. May you be happy, may you be well, may you be safe, may you be peaceful, and may the Holy Spirit continue to protect you and your loved ones today and always. See you then.